Hi guys, quick video just to show you this. I did just receive it from China. It took 2 weeks. And yes, it is a 3D printer kit. It was actually a very good deal on Gearbest because it did cost me less than 120 euros including shipping. It is a Tronxy X1 3D printer, so little baby 3D printer to start, but according to the reviews it is quite decent for the price, in particular at just over 100 euros, because on Banggood the same one is at 150 euros. So it is a little one, as you can see, 15 centimeters bed, but it is enough for me to start practicing with 3D printing, and maybe I will upgrade later if I feel the need, but for now it will be good to start. So there is already several YouTube videos with reviews and assembly of this printer, so I will not make videos for this, and I want to be very tedious and careful when I do it. The main purpose is to make connector covers for my aircraft instruments, also display stands for aircraft instruments, and I will probably find a lot of other things to do later with it. I am still waiting for the filament to arrive. I have one little spool here, but I have 2 orders of filament on the way, so I hope it will not take too long. But this will be enough for doing the test object of the printer, I guess, and just see if it is starting to work or not. After it, of course, I will need to fine-tune it a little bit, most probably. So I will start putting this back together, and you can expect having some news about it in a few days maybe. It is apparently a 2 or 3 hours long work. The main structure is made with black plexiglass like this, and the important mechanical parts are made with extruded aluminium parts like this, 3 or 4 of them actually. There is one little display assembly here, and 4 motors, and everything you need. So pro tip, it seems the assembly manual is on the SD card, if you happen to purchase the same one. It comes with all the necessary tools, including a screwdriver, which seems not too bad actually for a Chinese one. Hard on grip, but at least seems quite decent. Also all the little Allen keys and everything you need. Very regular blue Chinese USB lid. Okay, so I will be busy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.